10 key milestones of 5-month-old baby that you must not miss. 5 months might feel early, but so much is already happening. Each week, you'll notice new skills, some small, some big, but all worth celebrating. From playful giggles to rolling around and reaching for everything in sight, your little one is becoming more curious and interactive with each passing day. Let's take a look at all the amazing things you can expect this month. 5-month-old babies develop mental milestones. 1. Steadier head control. Your baby can now hold their head steady without wobbling. This simple skill makes tummy time easier and sets the stage for sitting and crawling. 2. Rolling from tummy to back. This is a fun one. Around 5 months, babies often roll from tummy to back. It may surprise you how quickly it happens, so always keep a safe space ready. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby development related videos. Please continue watching. 3. Reaching for toys. Gone are the random arm flails. Now your baby is reaching out on purpose, trying to grab that toy you've dangled in front of them. 4. Stronger grip. Once they get hold of something, they'll hang on to it. Some babies can even switch a toy from one hand to the other. 5. Laughter and playful smiles. A silly sound, a peek-a-boo game, even a funny face can send your baby into giggles. It's their way of connecting with you. 6. Early babbling. You'll hear strings of vowels, maybe even ba or da. They're experimenting with sound, and when you respond, you're helping them take the first steps towards speech. 7. Recognizing familiar faces. By 5 months, babies start showing excitement when they see familiar faces. A smile for mom, a sparkle for dad. This is the beginning of lasting bonds. 8. Sitting with help. Your baby will be able to sit with support. They're still wobbly, but the muscles in their back and belly are getting stronger every day. 9. Mouthing objects. Everything goes straight to the mouth. This is how babies explore texture and shape, so offer safe toys they can chew on. 10. Expressive emotions. Smiles, squeals, frowns, and cries. You can now read your baby's feelings more clearly. It's their way of telling you what they need. What if a milestone seems delayed? If your baby is a little slower with one milestone, don't worry. Growth patterns vary. If you're ever unsure, talk with your pediatrician. Parenting at this stage can be exhausting, but it's also full of joy. Take photos, record videos, and celebrate these little leaps. They add up quickly.